Chief Minister Nongthong Pampirin asserted that the central government has initiated probe against KNO and ZRA leaders PS Haukip and Thanglian Park Guite, as well as Myanmar nationals who are believed to have been involved in the acts of inciting violence in Manipur. He assured the public that the investigation would continue as part of efforts to tackle illegal immigration. Chief Minister made these remarks to the media during the swearing-in ceremony of the newly appointed Chief Justice of the High Court of Manipur, Justice D. Krishna Kumar. In a statement, Chief Minister N. Biren criticized the central government of 2005 for allegedly attempting to sign a suspension of operations through agreement with Kuki National Organization KNO and Zuo Revolutionary Army ZRA leaders, despite knowing their Myanmar affiliations and without consulting the then state government. He also said to clarify that there are no tensions between the state government and the Thadao, Amar, Paite and Waifai communities. Chief Minister reiterated the necessity of taking strong action against Myanmar nationals who are inciting tensions in the state.
In 2005 tagi government yauduna su taurena mapandagi mayamam pusala torame hojiki kene ki PS Haukip he himself Myanmar born ni Myanmar masani hojiki only ZRA gi Thanglen Pam Guite da natna PS Haukip hai ba hojiki keno ki chairman ji majo Brahma masani Brahma dagi torokada Nagaland bank ki thabak toroma ka madagi bank ki thabak ko thadok Manipur laga lan hobo sabani they are not original indigenous lai riba khoi thadok gi paite gi mar gi adagi Wi-Fi gi khoi kana so kisu hai dena kana basu lekte moi mapandagi laga who is enemy, who is friend, media friends sing, Manipur, identified to Rukanda action logo. Foreigner ni hire Bakambu already central government, central government inquiry to ticket play. Makata and Soko ticket Laga Moibu, Hamdana Baitare. Foreign soil give me the Indian soil, walked on the
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Nongthong Pampirin said that the state government had temporarily suspended internet services, including mobile data, due to escalating tensions and the deteriorating law and order situation in Manipur. He assured the public that the suspension would be lifted once normalcy is restored. Referring to the widespread protests following the Ziribam killings, Chief Minister N. Biren maintained that the public outcry was fueled by frustration and disappointment. However, he condemned that targeting of legislators' residences, calling it an attempt to exploit the situation for political mileage. He maintained that the violent incidents which were extensively covered by media outlets, including live broadcast on social media, prompted the government's decision to impose the internet shutdown in order to curb the aggression. Addressing reports of looting, including jewelry, money and other assets, Chief Minister N. Biren asserted that action has been taken against those involved. He also highlighted a tragic Ziribam incident where 6 civilians, including an 8-month-old infant, were killed by Kuki militants using sophisticated weaponry. He asserted that the militants specifically targeted the Boro Bekra relief camp and the police station. However, no arrests have been made in connection with the attack. On the other hand, Chief Minister praised the efforts of the CRPF during the crisis and maintained that a large-scale combing operation is underway to apprehend those responsible.
Internet thing but say kuchu yam nuaite modern world sida di internet si koi yam tangai phada bhai batare mayam ne na khangna adu government gi su law and order si maintain tok ba ya da ba tangai phada ba lei bagi ne ba nahan gi thokriba thodok tumak mi gi yum mai thabadu yum thugai bu live tha lei biram me ba ai koi FIR bu di tokre adu ora su adu maina irang du sagana ba mating we aduna adu gum bu to widra gi phaba chumna gi agitation to ba kangbu di yam phajana to we ba agitation to riba civil society kari gi di yam phajana to we akaya toy to gi ba marak ta se lamsang rajen gi da gi phau hu gi ba MLA Kishan gi mayum da gi ngarang sana lopa lo gi gi yauroi du ne ba si bu agitation lai ba si gi maram sugum mayam si da gi ne ba koi internet thing ai se don't blame only to the government ai isa si su khragra koi lai ba mayam se sum thok na ba masang e nan gi mi ha to the pen da rally such a dharna tok jaba adagi ngang jaba koi kari mata koi pen da blai te noi te blai te but adugi namada politically advantage lauri ba gang chindudi koi legal action khara tawro ke mayam yawi rakunu आइन की तौजसनु अदुना हुजी ओइरे फिल्म से कितंग फिल्म से फरगदी अथुबा मतमदा इंटरनेट हांगनबगी तौजे बोरोब्रेकादा लेरिबा अखोयगी रिलीफ कैम्प दा लेजरिबा मियोय 135 लेइ मिसम पुलिस स्टेशन मियोय 13 मोम लेब हाइरिबा सिगी रिलीफ कैम्प सिने अदुगा हुजिकी पुलिस स्टेशन सिने पूरा ओवररन तौननबा एकता लोइसन लगे आइदन लाकबा टीम गैंग टेररिस्ट कांगबुनेबा रॉकेट लॉन्चर यावना रॉकेट लॉन्चर कापतनी यम मैचाइदो अदुदैदा सीआरपीएफ सिंगुना डिटाले तौरमद्रबा अखोयगी मिसम प्रजा सामम सानी दो सिरमबा याबा पोने एनआई नसु केस अमा पाइखल यादो एनआई न पाइखल लेना अखोय स्टेट गवर्नमेंट तुमि लेते वे हंटिंग देम डाउन अदुना अदुगी मयाम तौबिगनु अदु होय नाकल अनि लान सोंगनबनि नखरा सोकपन यावनै मसिगी दमका अखोय नुवाइदबा फोंदो अदु गवर्नमेंट के साइड दगी अखोय मैक्सिमम बेस्ट लेवल द मिसम प्रजा की लाइफ प्रॉपर्टी कन्ननबदे अखोय लेतन होनगी